What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Sheesh, today I got a M440 CV convertible. Yeah. Living the life. Thanks again to BMW Raleigh. Fuck, I don't know what I say all that. Raleigh. Yeah, we on BMW know how to make cars. Everything is crazy. Nice power shifters. Because it's not cheap like the other cars be. Everything. But let me get to a spot where I can show you all everything. And yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so we made it. When not get copyrighted, turn out music down, have enough money. But you know, I have all the regular stuff for BMW Sports, Comfort, Eco Pro, Auto Hold, all the regular stuff. Oh shit. While it's charging. Storage. Back seat. Cupboards. Extra storage back there. Pretty sure this is the Harman Kardon sound system. M Sport brake, like it says, the M package for the M440i X Drive, M Light, whatever, same shit. But here we go. This is surrounding of the car. Look nice. LED headlights, new grille, 360 view cameras, front facing cameras. On this one, they don't have the M style mirror caps, the carbon ones, but that is an option. Here you go. Black Sapphire, model BMW M40 CV. Like I said, thank you to BMW Raleigh. Let me use it, take it out on drive. Yeah, it's the inside, the outside of the car. Let's go on the drive. I'm gonna turn on the air. I'm fucking hot as fuck. Look at this one. Got recording. Yep. super little traffic. Even within Raleigh and North Carolina, you know what I'm fucking talking about. Especially around this fucking time. I don't think I showed you all the fucking apps. I'm pretty sure y'all already know. CarPlay, all other stuff, Bluetooth, mobile connect. Got some viral settings. Digital key. On that AM, FM, Cyrus, Setson, personal navigation system. I don't think this one doesn't have a heads-up display, but yeah, pretty sure you can add it. Messages.